Turmeric is commonly used as a seasoning in food and can also be used as a dye for clothes. Turmeric health benefits are vast but not very well known. If you are not a curry fan, turmeric milk is an excellent option. Simply add half a teaspoon of turmeric to hot or cold milk. Here are the following benefits of drinking turmeric milk before bedtime. 1. It is a liver tonic. Laboratory tests and clinical studies have demonstrated the ability of the curcumin in turmeric to prevent and reverse liver cirrhosis and fatty liver. Liver, being the chemical hub of the body, is constantly engaged in the processing of chemical substance entering the body. That includes environmental pollutants, chemical additives in processed foods, and drugs taken for other disease conditions. The hepatoprotective and detoxifying action of turmeric reduces the impact and injuries to liver tissue by this toxic substance, increasing the production of bile. It helps remove biliary obstruction too. 2. It is an excellent blood purifier. Turmeric has always been regarded as an excellent detoxifying agent. Our body has to deal with an onslaught of toxins that enter the body through our food and drink, as well as the respiratory tract. They can damage not only the blood vessels but all the other tissues that the contaminated blood reaches. Toxins in the blood are the underlying causes of many abnormal skin conditions and other diseases. Turmeric helps the elimination of blood impurities by improving the function of the liver, which is entrusted with the duty of identifying these toxins and finding a way to eliminate them. Moreover, the direct effect of turmeric helps flush out these toxins through urine. 3. Improved digestion. Turmeric can be used to help treat a variety of digestive problems, including digestive tract inflammation and reduction of gas and bloating. Just a little daily can help with almost any condition. However, those with gallbladder disease should not take turmeric due to overstimulation. 4. Heart health. Curcumin has also been shown to reduce bad cholesterol (LDL), remove plaque buildups in the arteries, and prevent blood clotting. Five. Gives relief from a cough and cold. Turmeric milk is a commonly used traditional remedy for cough, cold, and other respiratory tract infections. Turmeric increases mucus production, which naturally flushes out the microbes that have managed to get a foothold in the respiratory tract. The antiviral and antibacterial properties of turmeric can help fight the infections, while the anti-inflammatory property helps relieve the symptoms. A cup of warm turmeric milk before going to bed will relieve nighttime coughing and provide restful sleep.